With precision adjustments complete, every Mustang is rigorous measured to the hazard.
Dashboard and electronics are installed, bringing the Mustang to life.
Interior seating is installed, combining comfort with performance. Curing solidifies the finish, ensuring durability and brilliance.
With raw materials ready, the Mustang's journey into production begins. Steel begins its journey through the heart of the factory.
Lightweight aluminum sheets are transported with precision.
Large steel coils are hoisted with exacting care into the production line.
Aluminum is prepared for shaping lightweight body panels.
Sorting ensures each Mustang variant receives the correct materials.
Precision sorting prepares panels for complex body shapes.
Every tire component is preloaded to maintain consistent quality.
Leather is delivered with care, ready for precise cuts.
Sand is the first ingredient in the Mustang's clear, strong windows.
Every material passes a final check before entering the production line.
Transported and staged, the materials are ready to be transformed into a Mustang. Supervision orchestrates the movement of materials with meticulous timing.
With materials inside, the Mustang factory is ready to transform raw inputs into automotive precision.
Aluminum panels are purified to maintain strength and finish quality. Rubber materials are cleaned of dust and impurities for uniform molding.
With materials clean and organized, Mustang production moves into its core stage. Steel sheets are
Aluminum panels form lightweight roofs and body components with precision. Each door panel is molded to exact Mustang specifications. The chassis begins to take shape, forming the Mustang's structural foundation. Fenders are formed with precision for aerodynamics and style. Rear panels are crafted to maintain Mustang's iconic silhouette. Bumpers are forged to combine safety with sleek design. Engine bay panels are shaped to precise tolerances for performance. Structural reinforcements are pressed to enhance Mustang rigidity. Door frames are crafted to fit panels with perfect alignment. Internal reinforcements ensure strength and safety for each hood. Roof inner frames are shaped to meet both safety and design standards. Rubber begins its transformation into precision-engineered Mustang tires. Sand transforms into the high-strength glass used for Mustang windows. Each window is formed to exact curvature and optical clarity standards.
Robotic precision ensures every weld is strong and exact.
Manual touch-ups reinforce critical points for ultimate safety. The engine bay is prepared, ready to house Mustang's powertrain. Doors are attached precisely,
ensuring perfect alignment and operation. The hood is mounted seamlessly, completing the front-end silhouette. Roof panels are installed to provide strength and style.
Fenders are fitted precisely to define Mustang's iconic shape.
Bumpers are attached to combine safety with sleek design.
The Mustang's heart, its engine, is installed with exacting care.
Transmission is mounted, linking power to wheels with precision.
Suspension and wheels are installed to ensure perfect handling.
Tires are mounted, completing the vehicle's road-ready foundation. Interior seating is installed, combining comfort with performance.
Dashboard and electronics are installed, bringing the Mustang to life.
Door interiors are fitted, completing the cabin's precision assembly. High-tech sensors verify panel alignment with micron-level accuracy.
Windows are positioned with absolute accuracy, maintaining Mustang clarity and style.
Mirrors and sensors are mounted with automated precision for performance and safety. Interior components are refined and secured through precise automation. Automated calibration ensures perfect door function and fit.
Every wheel is aligned with high-tech precision for optimal handling. Tires are inspected and adjusted for maximum performance and safety. Robotic inspection detects even the smallest imperfections in finish and fit. Minor imperfections are corrected automatically to achieve perfection. Brand emblems are mounted with exact positioning, reflecting Mustang heritage.
Lighting components are installed with robotic accuracy for safety and aesthetics.
With advanced automation, every Mustang achieves flawless fit, finish, and function.
Every paint surfaces are examined meticulously for a flawless finish.
Small corrections ensure every Mustang shines perfectly. Every interior component is verified for fit, comfort, and functionality. Door mechanisms are tested repeatedly to guarantee smooth operation.
Wheels are aligned with micron-level precision for optimal performance. Brakes are calibrated to meet stringent safety and performance standards. Steering systems are fine-tuned for perfect responsiveness.
Suspension is adjusted to deliver smooth, responsive handling.
All electronic systems are checked to ensure complete functionality.
Every lighting system is tested for brightness, alignment, and reliability.
All glass components operate smoothly and seal perfectly.
Exterior details are examined to meet Ford's exacting quality standards. All essential fluids are filled and systems tested for leaks. Performance is simulated to ensure every Mustang drives as intended.
measures for tuning. With precision adjustments complete, every Mustang is rigorous measured to the hazard.
Weight distribution is verified for optimal handling and safety.
Suspension systems are tested to handle real-world road conditions.
Steering responsiveness is calibrated for precise control. Engine performance is measured to meet Mustang power and efficiency standards.
Exhaust emissions are tested to meet environmental and safety regulations.
All electrical systems are validated for flawless operation. Climate systems are tested for comfort in all conditions. Tires are validated for safety, performance, and consistency.
Paint finish is inspected to achieve flawless surface quality.
Windows and seals are tested for clarity and airtight performance.
Interior systems are tested to ensure comfort, functionality, and safety. Every Mustang is validated for uncompromising safety standards.
With rigorous testing complete, every Mustang meets Ford's highest quality standards. Protective coatings shield each Mustang during its journey to dealerships.
Tires are secured for safe transport without compromising alignment or finish.
Every interior is protected to maintain pristine quality for the customer.
Final checks ensure every Mustang leaves the factory flawless.
Mustangs are carefully transferred to storage areas awaiting shipment.
Vehicles are stored efficiently, ready for organized dispatch.
Each Mustang is carefully guided onto transport vehicles.
Loading is precise to prevent any damage during transport.
Straps and locks ensure the Mustang remains stable during transit.
Final checks guarantee safe delivery to dealerships.
Mustangs embark on their journey, ready to thrill customers worldwide.
Logistics operations ensure timely delivery of every vehicle.
Inventory management keeps production flowing smoothly.
Each Mustang is secured and ready for delivery to eager customers.
A fleet of Mustangs begins their journey from factory to dealership.
The factory rhythm continues, preparing for the next production cycle.
From raw materials to finished vehicles, every detail is perfected. Innovation, precision, and dedication bring the Mustang to life.
Every Mustang begins its journey, built with care and expertise.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.